Hey, it's another meeting, time for another meeting. It could have been an email, and not even a good email. Didn't even need an email. Hey, it's John, can you hear me? Yes, John, we can hear you. And your child in the background, your child sounds like an arsehole. Hey Mike, what do you think? Christ, Mike's on mute again. Mike, you're on mute again. Hey, it's Mike, can you hear me? Sorry, I was on mute. Yes, we know you were on mute. We're asking, what do you think? John's child's definitely an arsehole. Sorry guys, I've got to go now. I've got another meeting. Time for another meeting. Today's 27th meeting.